Guys, what's up? How's everybody going? Check this out. A gorgeous, rare, I guess you would call it. It's not rare, but it's more or less custom than the line of Silverados based on the LT platform. This, my friends, is a 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Z71 5.3 liter 4x4 Apex Edition by SCA. Right there. Boom. Look them up on the website, on the google.internet website, and you'll find a whole lot about these trucks and all the specifics on them. Very cool setup right here, guys. Riding on a set of fuel wheels. Multi-spoke fuel wheels, really nice. Machine face, black face with machined edges or lip. Wrapped around this wheel is a 35, 1250, 20-inch tire, mud terrain. Really nice, kind of resembles the Toyo Open Country MT, or maybe the Nitto MT platform. Same kind of style, same kind of blocky tread. Really nice truck. Runs and drives absolutely great. No rust. It's super clean. It's got a FabTech suspension lift kit system on it. I want to say it's like a 6-inch or 5.5, 6 inch. I got to be sure. I got to be more specific, but look in the details. You'll find the whole description on it. Full turn left, full turn right. It's got a bullet style antenna right here. And she's tough looking. She really is. It's a really nice gloss black truck. A few small imperfections you can see. Maybe a dent right there. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but overall, she's really clean. Really nice truck. It's going to be priced very aggressive. And interior is in really nice shape. Cloth interior. You got the center console right here. You got a backup camera. Miles are 140,264 maintained miles. Obviously the Z71 package with the carbon fiber back. Back seats in really good shape. Power windows, power locks. Z71 threshold right there, kick plate. Here's your all specifics. This vehicle was custom altered by MCM Custom Vehicles. All the specifics on the whole vehicle right there. Even the tire rating right there. Switched out, that's cool, they replaced it to a, put the tire load and rating right over the factory one because it's a custom truck now. They buy all the Chevrolet Silverados with an LT platform, take it to their company, and do them up. So now you see instead of the factory size, it's a 35, 1250, 20-inch tire with the specs on it as stated below right there. Oil change inspection and whatnot. So let's pop the hood and check out the power plant. Nice bed rails right here. Interior and the bed spot's really nice. You just got a custom exhaust on it. It sounds really tough. I'll show you. Brand new key fob. Hold it down. Sounds really cool. Hey Landon, why don't you go rev it up real quick for us? He's gonna put the key in and rev it up. Sounds really tough. Landon, hit it! Landon! Wama! No, stop. What did it? There you go, quick hit it. There guys, I'll show you what's going on. I'm gonna teach my man right here. There we go. Sounds tough. All right, you can put it in park and shut it off. Thank you, buddy. Make sure it's in park. All right, overall, really nice truck. You guys have any questions on this? Feel free to call us, 540-898-3025. That's 540-898-3025. You can also call or text me on my cell phone direct, 540-848-2974. That's my work cell phone. It's 540-848-2974. Or visit the website, superiorwholesale.org. That's superiorwholesale.org. Hope you guys are doing great. Take care.